Hey there, welcome to this video. Take a look at my nightstand and go ahead and take a look at yours. Do you have cords everywhere? Phone chargers, iPad chargers, looking to simplify things? Hopefully this video can help you out. I'm going to be taking a look at this, seeing if it will help solve my problem. This is a wireless charger for the phone, and it's super affordable. I think it was like $12, and that's pretty standard. So amazing technology and a low price. Can't beat that. I recently purchased this as a gift for my wife, and she just wasn't all in. She's like, oh, thanks for the wireless charger. For some reason, she doesn't get as many kicks out of electronics as I do. So I am acquiring it and using it instead. So it's got this little disc, very thin, very classy glass-like, kind of a charcoal black color. And you plug it in. There's only one way to do it. It's pretty easy. And you take off this little tag, and then you'll find your electric outlet. In this case, I have mine mounted to behind my nightstand, which is another great idea if you got cords all over the floor. Go ahead and mount that to the back if you've got a wood nightstand. That's a nice way to access it. Easy within reach, right? And we'll get it plugged in here, and then kind of get the best orientation. Again, I'm looking for simplicity. I want to hide those cords as much as possible. Notice that I took all the cords out, so I'm starting from scratch, from basically just the lamp and then this charger, right? And right here is generally kind of how I like that look. Now, this charger, one question you might have is, does it charge an iPad? And this particular one, it does not. I definitely tried that. And then I went back to the instructions in the online reviews, and it said, nope, does not charge your iPad. So unfortunately, that does not work, but that's okay. That's not really why I bought it. I bought it for a phone, but it would have been kind of cool if it were able to do that. But it does not charge the iPad. Now, it does do Android as well and an iPhone, right? So I have an iPhone, and it has no problems charging it. Now, if you've got a case on it, it does charge through the case, but not if you've got one of these little bumpers. Can you see those little the backings where you can prop up your phone? You might have to take that off, or if it doesn't remove, take off your case entirely. And but nonetheless, it does charge, and you can see it just charging wirelessly. The technology is really cool. I love this thing. No more plugging it in and unplugging it. This is my phone, and again, double blue charges you can see the lights there change from green to blue. And then it is charged. Now, if the backing of your phone has any metal parts on it, you're going to want to take off the case before you charge it, because that metal will get hot. I have no idea if that's any danger, if that's normal. I don't know. But that's one thing that I definitely noticed. I have a little metal ring on the back of my case, and it definitely got hot to the touch, almost uncomfortably hot. So, which makes sense. I mean, there's electric current going through there to charge the battery, right? So what I learned is I'm going to take off my case each time because of that metal ring. It does not detach. So another tip here, if you're worried about wires, is to get one of these little outlet converter things. It's not a converter, it's just an outlet, but it allows you to plug in 2 USB into one. So it's a way to kind of simplify, same number of cords, but it's going into one, and you can kind of route them how you wish. And that, to me, looks a lot better than random cords going everywhere, don't you think? Anyway, hopefully this helped you out. Thanks.